Hi everyone, today I want to do a youth shirt for you. This is a Gildan Youth Small, and I have the medium station, the 5.5 mighty hoop, and the 5.5 hoop. And the first thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be setting the 5.5 fixture. Let me take the bottom hoop out of here. We're going to be setting the 5.5 mighty hoop onto the fixture. And I did pre-set the position, so I know that it's going to go in number 4. And I do like to print out my design so that I can get a feel of what I like. And I looked it up, and it typically says for the design to go 3.5 to 4 inches down for the center. And this is actually 6 inches down. If I had done that, it would have been really high. And I think that printing out the design really helps. This is a unicorn. The horn goes up higher than the rest, and I think it just makes a bit of a difference. So on this design, I really wanted it lower. So the first thing I'm going to do is we're going to put the bottom hoop in. The writing is going to go down, so that will be down. This little latch right here, this is the the lock position where it goes down below the hoop. If you slide it over here, it's the unlock, so the hoop can go in and out. I'm going to put it in the lock. It just is a little bit more stable. And then we are going to put in the stabilizer. So the stabilizer is going to go lock down here, and then it is going to lock right up here. Looks like I should have trimmed it up a little bit. Let me just do that really quick so it's not sticking up. Sorry about that. So let's just trim that up just a little bit. So we're gonna put that back in so it's a lot smoother. So now we've got the stabilizer. So now we're gonna slip the shirt over. And the most important thing about this is the shoulders. So we want to make sure that our shoulders are lined up nice and straight. I'm just going to fold up the bottom so everything can lay smooth. And then of course the shirt needs to be centered. So I can just tell, in a kid's shirt it's easy to tell because the distance here is going to be the same. Okay, and so the warning is here. We're going to put that top hoop on, and we are hooped. So I'm going to go and stitch this out and get back to you. Okay, I'm back. It's all finished. I think it was 7 little pieces of applique later, but I got it all done. So the tab is down here, and I'll show you how I open it. So I push with my thumb here, I put my fingers here, and it's just a little gentle pressure, and the hoop pulls apart. So I'm going to set the top hoop down, and then the bottom hoop I pull out. With the writing side up, I'm going to just at a little bit of an angle set them like this, and this is how I store them. And then as you guys do, I'll trim away my backing, and this will be all set. Just a little press and it'll be ready to go. So that is it. So just as a little recap, I use the medium station. It is for 4 toddler to adult extra small, and the 5.5 fixture, and the 5.5 hoop. If you're interested, you can contact me through Facebook. My Facebook group is Mighty Hoops by Designworks, Kathy Haug, and I can help you order that. Thanks so much everybody for watching my video.